What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So listen, today I'm going to be getting baddie-fied. That's why I'm coming on camera looking kind of crazy. I'm doing my intro for y'all real quick. Yeah, my girlfriend, I don't really wear frontals and closures if you know me. I'm all for the natural sewing, but I'm not gonna let her do a frontal, and I'm gonna record it for y'all, you know. Me, basically, the video today is transformed with me into a baddie.
I've not worked 9 to 5 in a while. I just been hustling, watching it pile. They pulling bitches from link in the bio. You wanna reach out to me, it's a process. I got a middleman, he got a connect. Bottom line is I'm not easy to contact. Bitch, I'm exclusive, like where did you find that? Pick me a beat and you know I'ma kill it.
Quarantine edition. Now, I was gonna wait to upload this because my nail appointment not to the 22nd. I kind of wanted to do like a whole day thing, but I don't know, maybe I'll hold the video, maybe not. Y'all know by the date I upload it, if I put it out or not. But yeah, so she on her way here. When she get here, I'm gonna come back on camera and I'm gonna let y'all see her lay me, slay me, and transform me back into the baddie that I am. All right, YouTube, I'm back on camera. I got my Meeks in. That's the brand owner. So sweet. That's who's slaying my hair, you know. Yeah, but don't judge my Meeks. You know, I don't ever come on camera like this. But I'm about to get fine, and I'm finna take you through the process with me. So I'm gonna come back on camera when she lay the frontal one on it, okay? And then I'm gonna let y'all see me transform, cause I got places to go today.
Alright, y'all, I'm back. The frontal one, bundle so dead, now we about to start styling, so I'm getting the thing, but we're gonna show y'all your hair and haircut, don't judge it. Just hit the damn subscribe button and mind your damn business, okay? That's what you do. You don't judge me, you just subscribe and mind your goddamn business, that's all. But, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all, I'm gonna set the camera back. No, that's not, I won't come out. That's an essential for you, cool. This whole part I have to cut out anyway because of copyright. Like it's me, like begging on music. This shit hard, man. Begging on shit. Yeah, at least I know where you got your coat from. Huh? You know, can't slop around in the mud, trying to stay afloat. Whatever the cost. I'm really starting to enjoy this shit. That's like my 40 inches I'll be wearing. That's long, like my hair usually. Yeah, I don't even want to look at that. That's a good one. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to go. Anytime I pause the camera. So I'll take out one more memory. You got the blowjob. You got the car.
She didn't cut the bang down, all of that, and then we about to style it and put it in a pony or whatever so you can see Zip, because you can't even see me. Feel me? But look at it. Alright. Wait. I know. Zip be smoking in every video. Don't judge. That's my favorite part, y'all. Y'all see that shit? Y'all see that shit? That's the only reason why I wanted the frontal. For that shit right there. The end. I like that. I like when girls do like messy buns and messy ponytails and that little piece hanging. You ain't got no edges. You can't do that shit. So, I got light with it. Here, you can get the L. Yeah, you get the L.
Wait, take this one so I can see it. I might need to scoot you though.
Yeah, closer to the light.
Over.
Montana, not in the video, bro. My eye jumping. What that mean, yo? That's what I thought. So y'all talking shit? That's what you telling me. Cause my eye jumping. Talking shit about not subscribing. That's the shit you talking. Cause I got a problem with you watching this goddamn video and not pressing subscribe. That's the issue. That's the real issue if you want to talk about it. You know, my damn nerves, my subscribers ain't matching my views. Motherfuckers watching, clicking, and then write me and right under the video. I can't figure out how to sign into my YouTube, Zilk, or I will subscribe. Yeah, that's bullshit. That's what I said, right? Because if they wanted to get back on Instagram, bitch, you would.
Dick up.
Yeah, dick up. I even said my haters could subscribe. You ain't keeping tabs on me, right? I done taught you how to hate. I done said this shit in the last video. Like, I just care about a subscription, that's all. That's the only thing about bangs with eyelashes. They be heavy as shit on them. We fucking with the high ponies, yo. But Taylor don't like that shit. She know I'm about to bounce.
Get out. You irritant. You already know the husband. Take this off of you.
I can't wait to see my nail tech, man. My nails is like crucial.
My nails are like under.
My nails and toes is crucial. I feel like a dirty bitch. Like, this ain't never happened, yo. Ever. I don't even feel comfortable being on camera with my nails like this, and I'm keeping it mean. It's just, I gotta record though where it's going. But still, like, I don't want to be like, oh, I ain't drop a video today because my nails ain't done. That's some shit I really could do. Yeah, so it's like, I be trying to be bigger and keep driving. But no, don't judge me, okay? But I don't want them judging me. That's all I'm saying. Don't judge them. Need my motherfucking nails done, okay? Need my motherfucking nails done.
Turn to the side so I can see something.
Okay.
Y'all got some other shit?
What?
Shit, boom. That's what the big thing.
Fucking hot dogs and beans popped all over the goddamn microwave. I gotta wipe that shit out. That shit popped bad, like real bad. It was like an explosion in my microwave. I just was talking about this shit.
Why would I ever just lay like this?
Yes, why you sleep like this? Because my birthday coming up, that's why. Because the birthday girl need to be sexy, that's why. That's why. I'm finna... I'm finna be sexy, y'all. It's real hot, right? Yup, that's it, yup. There you go. I'm retarded, yo.
Here we go.
This is way better than the first time.
Yeah,
For what? So we're...
I just need some lip gloss. Good thing it ain't gonna be no sound on this part. I'm gonna edit a lot of stuff out. Good thing I not edit.
I don't want your kidney to
Hold it.
No, I was putting my rubber bands because when we put the hair on it, I don't want it to go back.
Okay.
I got some shit.
Let me just stay high.
I'm gonna call you soon as I get to the block. Probably like 15, 20 minutes.
I'm just holding it.
Oh, I was
It
gonna say
like it's
something
pulling.
came up?
I don't want it to come up. That's the thing. But what I have learned, I've been using got to be.
Oh my god, I got a spray adhesive. I'm gonna spray it. It's clear, so I'm gonna spray it right before we done. So that way nothing is gonna get you for sure. I'm not gonna sew it because I want you to be able to.
Yes, to take it out, because you know I like to fix. Let me tell you about her. Let me tell you about her fucking ass, okay? Y'all know how frontals fuck up. I told her this shit last time. I'm like, no, don't sew that shit, because when my tail start looking fucked up, I like to fix it. If she sew the shit,
I like it to be.
how the fuck I'm gonna fix my shit?
Well,
I'm not about to walk outside. So last time she sewed it, I'm bored. What I did was I wrapped that shit with a bun and a fucking rubber band, and that shit was sexy. That picture on my page with the jumpsuit, and I'm sitting on the step, and I got on like the pink and blue sneakers.
You're annoying.
Yeah, that bun. Yeah, I did that shit. That shit was so yeah. I fixed that style right up. Oh, you see how long that hair is? Yes. This pony about to be lit. Birthday girl finna be lit. Bad bitch low and
you put some hair glue?
like hair glue? Yeah, I got a fresh bottle. I got a fresh bottle. Sorry, I'm in my room. Like, my YouTube family has seen my whole career, okay? Y'all didn't see everything.
You put on your lighter, bro.
Let me see, right now.
No, it's gonna fall in the bucket. Get it? I can't go. I'm not even about to risk it. I already know. I'm gonna fuck up. They gonna be on your dick after this. Thank you. In this video, so basically I cut out the sound on this part because we just was talking about parts that I didn't want y'all to hear, you know, but she just wrapping the ponytail around and yeah, we styling it. That's all. Y'all ain't missing nothing. So don't be newsy and press subscribe while you waiting for the sound to come back. Don't judge. You just couldn't hear that part, okay? Zip, done. But if you watch me, thank you. This part is gonna have sound. Yup. Thank you. Period. You watch Zilk and Koi. Cause that's what I see in the DM all day. You and your son is so cute on video. You and your son.
He be over you.
Yo, he do on video, yo. He be so over me on camera, but he funny. But don't he act? He act with me though. That's what I like. Like when I talk to him, he talk back. Y'all ain't never had no baby like that. Yeah. Me and Koi be having whole conversations on camera. Niggas don't talk like us. We say this every day. He not your ordinary baby, at all. It's cool, Koi. Mommy got you. It's okay. He gonna get rich off it too. He gonna grow up and watch these videos and be like, my mom was lit. That's the good thing about me doing YouTube. This shit a lifetime. He get to watch himself grow up on camera. Ain't it lit when you got a girlfriend that know how to do hair? Ain't that shit lit? Yeah, Aaron, you Tay. You and Ari ain't the only one that can switch up the styles. Yeah. Period. Like, I be saying that on the shade room all the time. I wish I had a best friend like Eric Tay. Probably. Yeah. I said, call the other point. Oh, that's Mike. I'm not even down. But what I don't get is, I say about 7 times a day to the same motherfuckers, don't call this phone, it don't work. I can't get it fixed right now because of Corona. When it's over, I can get my phone fixed for Sprint finally. What they do, they keep calling this phone. It's like, I'm convinced they not like to hear me or something. They be like, huh? Huh? Bitch, I done told you 3 times, it don't work. Call the other number and y'all just keep calling. I'm pissed off about that. Y'all see how cute my hair is? No cat. Hold up. No cat.
Literally.
No cat. Like, this is no kizzy. No.
Yeah, I said literally.
Like,
look at this corny ass tattoo.
It's okay. She doing my hair. She ain't getting fine rain. It's okay. Yeah. Look. I hate this tattoo. This was my first tattoo.
This was my first tattoo.
But nobody like on my body did anything differently. Like Squirt did all my tattoos. I can honestly say I had one person tattoo my whole body. I had 3 piercers, but they was at the same shop do my piercings. I don't really switch up. I keep like the same people.
Yeah, you do.
I'm picky.
Damn.
For me to switch up, that means I feel like you fired. That means Zook like it. That means Zook think you cool.
Alright, let me just straighten out the hair. Let me done my ones.
I know. I think I'm finna be in love all day, camera. Oh, I'm finna take an extra memory card with me because we finna run out of memory today. Cold as shit.
Until I say
Cold as shit.
lift up a little bit.
Wait.
Oh, let me get that. Alright, never mind. Let's see that. Stand up. Okay.
drop some ideas in the comments on hairstyles and what should I do for my birthday. Because I'm over here struggling with that. I don't know what I want to do. So, and drop some more prank ideas because I'm having fun pranking people, okay? Especially in the hood. That's the funniest shit ever. They be mad as shit. They be mad as shit, yo. But I'm gonna keep dropping them because I feel like when I drop pranks, my views go up. When I drop like messy shit, y'all like that. When I drop talks, I mean my views do okay. But y'all like when I do, I feel like pranks and challenges. When I drop challenges, the views go right up. When like I don't get it. When I just talk about I don't get how when I talk about sickle cell, my views really go up when I talk about that. Y'all want to hear educational shit like that? I would think that would do the lowest amount of views. That's my highest view. That's crazy. Anything I say about sickle cell, them videos do numbers.
Probably because a lot of people can't read.
But don't nobody talk about sickle cell on YouTube. That's why people be wanting to know about sickle cell. Then ain't nobody on YouTube that really do that got sickle cell. But the girl from TLC.
I really like the first video.
Oh, my first video, sickle cell and pregnancy. Yeah, everybody said that. The hospital told me they loved that video. People said they like my video with me and Coy.
I like all your videos.
Did you see the one Black Men Don't Cheat when Coy kicked my cheesesteak off the bed? Bro, did you see how he kept kicking it?
Greedy.
Yo, he's greedy as ever, like greedy and rude, right? Nigga kick my little nigga. If y'all ain't watched this, go watch my video called Black Men Don't Cheat. My son was drawing the entire video. He kicked my cheesesteak off the bed. I left the camera about 4 times because he started drawing. Like, it's like if you give him a piece of food, alright, so now he at the phase where he eating regular food. So if you eating the cheesesteak and french fries, if he got the fry and it's starting to get low, he get a like cranky attitude. Like, nigga, I don't know who you talking to. But don't be over here throwing pacifiers and shit at me on camera. Like, I'm getting all these comments about Zakoi acting up. Like, oh, I never seen that side of him. You wasn't lying. Yeah, the camera don't fucking lie. He retarded. Like, kick my whole cheesesteak up. Like, do you know how bad I wanted them cheese fries and cheesesteak? I just had took the drive to get them. And all because I didn't get them. Yeah, but I feel like he was only acting like that because I didn't want to give him no more. Like, you not even supposed to be eating this. Why everything I eat in video when I was eating the seafood? He was drawing. Like, you can't even crack crabs and you crying for one. Like, you can't, I was doing it for him. Nigga, you had me cracking crabs on camera and give them to you. Not me, you. When you grow up, I'm gonna kick your ass. If you see this when you're older, I'm gonna whoop your ass. You don't run shit. You run shit now cause I feel bad. Every time he fucking whine, I got hot. You want a bottle? You okay? You wanna? Okay, stop crying. I be feeling like a bitch. Like, you're really a slave servant for your child. You really are. Let me just do it. But yeah, watch my video, Black Men Don't Cheat. That shit funny. Just don't mind Zakoi. Don't judge him.
Break it up. Just don't judge.
Don't judge him. For real, they be judging. Her son is pretty, like some girl, we got to it. So I pay for promo, y'all know this. So y'all see those 2 big celebrities give me a shout out. I posted them on my page. Shout out to Carmen and Corey, they gave me a shout out. Shout out to Dre and Ken. Let's speak on Dre and Ken. On their page, when they gave me a shout out, somebody tried to come for my son in the comments. Oh, you talk about go off. I already told y'all that's why I don't like putting my son in the video, because I don't play about my son and you're not about to talk about him on social media. So they thought it was sweet in the comments, like they just was gonna say something and we wasn't gonna clap back. We got done, we fucked up and got the post deleted after I paid for promo because we went in on them so hard. Like, don't play with my, I don't like that shit. I'm gonna say that right now. I don't like that shit. You could talk about anybody else. Don't talk about me, bitch. You could have said anything about me. You want ugly, bitch, weird. And she had 40 subscribers, yo. That's what was getting me hot.
That's why she wanted.
She had 40, bitch. You had 40 subscribers in the comments talking shit. Yo, hair be so expensive. Like, your tab be like $500. Like, bro, for a fucking frontal to lift in a week, this shit is crazy out here, y'all. This shit is here. Am I lying? Hair, when Cliff first did my hair, that was $800. Like, your hair is expensive, yo. So I can imagine Eric and Tay prices. Oh, my phone gonna check. Hello? Did you call the other phone? Because this phone gonna check.
Oh, shit. I might call that one.
Alright. It's right there. You stop it. What?
Talking about you.
Where,
You said call the other phone?
right there. Hello. Ooh, I'm done. What inch is this? So I could pummel it.
32.
Yeah, 32 inches and with a 20-inch frontal, I think. I'm right. Yeah, 20-inch frontal. Basically, I'm gonna drop her link in the description box. So sleep. I'm gonna brand. Y'all know I'm gonna hook the video up, but the link gonna be in the description box. Her Instagram. Her. You got hair, beach.
Me.
Oh, yeah, so I forgot, yeah, it's called So Sleep, but I'm gonna put the spelling and stuff for y'all because I know y'all will ask me who did my hair, you know, get some angles. Can you put the camera on me and I can like flip it for you? All right, so now all you gotta do is hold it like that. Wait.
Yeah, it's nice. This is cute.
Oh, and I was moving. That's cute as shit. You see that? That was like a little YouTuber. I need that. Save that. No, I need that video now. That's a cute. Hold up, YouTube. She just got this fine. I'm gonna add the clip in after this. So I'm about to drop it right now. What I was just so hype about. Ask me who did my hair. You know, get some angles. Can you put the camera on me and I can like flip it for you? Alright, so now all you gotta do is hold it like that. Y'all seen that? Don't I look cute? Don't I look cute? Yeah. So,
Yeah, I'm gonna say see now.
alright, y'all. I'm about to end this vlog. I gotta go. But this basically was my video, Get Baddie with me during quarantine edition. I wanted to add my nail tech in, but I don't see her till the 22nd, and I ain't got time to wait for that. I gotta drop a video today. So, do me a favor. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tell your mom, tell your uncle, tell whoever, everybody to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.